Potholes forming in the road after a cold winter is an example of mechanical weathering or chemical weathering.
I think chemical.
Potholes. When you say potholes, those are. How does freezing water cause the weathering of rocks? The freezing water keeps the rocks in place. The freezing water makes the rocks last longer. The freezing water expands cracks and breaks rocks, or freezing water causes rocks to fall in landslides. The answer here is this is
Expand cracks and break rock.
exactly. It expands cracks and breaks rocks. Organic matter is made of materials that blank. A were once living, B were once non-living, or C were once living and non-living.
Blue one.
The blue one? Promise? Very nice. You're correct. Next one. What do we call the layers of soil? Deposits, horizons, minerals? Yep.
No, many low. Horizons.
Horizons, right. Next one. Blank is the type of soil used most often with plants. It is a mixture of clay, sand, and silt. Blank is the type of soil used most often with plants. It is a mixture of clay, sand, and silt. What is your answer? Based on the choices, you have either loam, humus, mud, or dirt. Yep.
I think dirt. No dirt.
Dirt. The answer is
Loam.
loam soil, right? Loam. Okay. It's a mixture of clay, sand, and silt. Layers of soil are known as the question, how is mechanical weathering different from chemical weathering? Let me read the choices. Chemical weathering happens over much shorter time frame than mechanical weathering. The second one, chemical weathering changes the chemical composition of rocks, while mechanical weathering does not. The third choice, chemical weathering occurs only in tropical climates. Mechanical weathering occurs only in cool climates. The last one, chemical weathering occurs only in mountains or mountainous areas. Mechanical weathering occurs only on flat land. So the last option, the red one, it's not possible, or let's say it's not plausible. The second one, this is your choice, right?
Yeah.
It changes the chemical composition of rocks. Mechanical weathering does not. You are correct.
Yes, sir, my man.
Let's proceed. Which type of climate would cause the greatest rate of weathering? Cold and dry, cold and humid, warm and humid, or warm and dry? Again, which type of climate would cause the greatest rate of weathering? Meaning to say weathering will happen at a faster manner. Okay? You have cold and dry, cold and humid, or warm and dry. What do you think? Reactions will happen fast at a warm environment or cold environment? Yep.
I think
the answer is warm and humid, right? When it's warm, meaning elevated temperature, the particles themselves are energetic. Okay, and when it's wet, then oxidation and other reactions will take place in a faster manner. Next. The surface of old marble statues are often covered with small holes or pits. Which of this most likely caused these holes or pits. Yep. When you say marble, it's calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate will react with a acid rain, right? Or let's
Yeah.
say when it's like chalk. You know what's chalk? I don't know if you know it because you are familiar only with whiteboard marker for sure. A chalk is made up of calcium carbonate or limestone or whatever. Then, if it reacts with an acid, it will form again carbon dioxide, water, and soluble salt. So, the answer here is it is
Concrete.
chemically weathered by acid rain. Okay. Next one.
Okay.